Hello, this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to create links in RemNote. So links in RemNote act like wiki links, so they take you between different documents. So I'm going to use it in this example for my fajita recipe. So in the ingredients, one of the ingredients it calls for is guacamole, whereas somewhere else in my RemNote I already have a document for a recipe of guacamole. So I'm going to link that in here, so then when I come to reference my fajita recipe, I can also see my guacamole recipe. So there are a number of ways you can do this. The first is by doing a double square bracket, and then this will come up to create a rem reference, which is just their terminology for a link. So if I start searching, so as you can see here, because I already have the guacamole document, it's going to come up at the bottom. If I hadn't created the document yet, I could use this button here, but I already have it, so I'm going to go with this one. And as you can see, it's turned into a blue colour, and if we click on that, it will take us to our recipe. So I'm just going to go back in now, and the second way we can do this is if we just type the word we want, if we just highlight it. And now the first button that comes up here is link, which is a bit misleading because they appear like links, but that's a different type of feature. So that's what you would use if you had a URL link from the web, and then you could use that to link to different websites. But this is the one we want, a rem reference. So if I click on this one, already comes up here. I can either create my new rem, or I already have this one here. So that's the one I'm going to go for.